Wow. Okay. Whoa. The unboxing of the Apple Vision Pro. Firstly, this is the box it comes in. It's a pretty sizable box. Loads of seals here, you can see unopened. So you never guess how much it took for me to get this from the US to London. Way too much money. So let's get this open. I got the medium. You can see here, I got the 512. So I got the mid-range. Cool, first impressions is, it feels all right. It feels not so heavy. And this feels decent. Let's see what else comes in the box. We have, cool, light seal cushion. Yeah, some brochures. We have a band. And we have this battery that needs to always be connected apparently. And a Type-C charger. And we have an American plug, obviously. I'll get this off. Fabulous. I'll get this off. Ooh. Do I just put it on? Wow, I feel like I'm in the future. For reference sake, I can't see anything out of it. Brilliant. Okay. This thing is not light. Wow, okay, press and hold to align. All good. Okay, now I can see through. I must look weird. Wow. Wow. Okay. Whoa. What I just saw was the hello. You know, you normally see that on your iPhone when you buy a new iPhone. Okay, so press digital crown to begin. Right, okay, well now I have to stop the recording and use my iPhone to actually sign up, so I'll stop that.